Hi friends, this video shows how to hide an app. Here you can see Facebook and WhatsApp. So here I am going to hide this Facebook app. First to go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then go down, tap on home screen. Here you can see hide apps on home screen. Tap here. Here we can see list of all installed apps. From this list, let me select Facebook. So I am going to select Facebook from this list. See, select Facebook. Now we can see Facebook under this hidden apps list. Tap on done. Then close this. Let me verify. See, now Facebook app is not visible here. So this way we can hide an app. So next I will show you how we can open that hidden app. We have two options. Method 1, we can just search and open. Method 2, again tap and hold on the home screen. Then go to settings. Go to hide apps on home screen. Then remove Facebook from this hidden apps list. Just tap here and remove. Tap on done. Then close this. See, now Facebook app is visible here. So this way we can hide an app. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.